This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Motorola phone. And this is very easy. Just go to the top right and then go on down to power and select this and go to power off. Now wait for this to power down and we have to look at the side buttons here. So we have the power button and then we have volume down. So we want to go ahead and press those two down now when our phone is turned off completely. So let's hold this down. And after about 5 to 10 seconds, a screen should pop up here. And then we have to go on over to the recovery menu. So I felt the vibration. And we can see this menu. Now use the volume down. Go to recovery mode. Press power. Now under this screen, we're going to see an option that says no command. Don't panic. Just hold down volume up, press the power button, or hold down the power button and then tap volume up. So try out one of those two combinations. And then we can go on down to where it says wipe data and factory reset right here. Press the power button and then go to factory data reset. This is going to wipe all the data off your phone. So if you have anything important on here, unfortunately you're going to go ahead and lose that. But if you do have everything backed up to Google Cloud or something like that, you should be able to retrieve most of it. You might not get all your pictures and photos back, but just go to restore on your Google account and you should be able to get things back. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.